Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on Android. The only way to experience Rust natively on your mobile device is through Rust Mobile, the official adaptation. Developed to bring the full, brutal survival experience to your fingertips, this version is specifically optimized for handheld play. Get ready to scavenge, build, and fight for survival anytime, anywhere, with a game designed for your phone. Rust Mobile retains all the essential elements you love from the original game. You will scavenge for resources, craft vital tools, and construct formidable bases to protect your loot. Prepare for intense player versus player encounters, where alliances can be forged or broken in an instant. The game also features a vast, explorable world with realistic weather and a full day-night cycle, adding to the immersive survival challenge. To ensure a smooth Rust Mobile experience, your Android device needs to meet certain specifications. We recommend an operating system of Android 10 or newer, along with at least 4 GB of RAM. You will also need approximately 6 GB of free storage for the game. A stable and fast internet connection, ideally 5G or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, is absolutely essential for seamless online gameplay. For the best possible Rust Mobile experience, consider these optimization tips. Always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for a more stable and faster connection. Before playing, close any background applications to dedicate your device's resources to the game. For enhanced control and precision, especially in combat, a Bluetooth controller is highly recommended. Finally, adjust the in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your specific device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.